5. Other metropolitan cities. A. Hyderabad. Hello dudes! In 2014, the newly formed state of Telangana split from Andhra Pradesh and the city became joint capital of the two states. A transitional arrangement scheduled to end by 2025. Hyderabad was historically known as the pearl and diamond trading center, and it continues to be known as the City of Pearls. Hyderabad remained under the rule of the Qutub Shahi dynasty for nearly a century before the Mughals captured the region. Hyderabad region is well known for its Golconda and Hyderabad painting styles. Several scientific technical institutes have been set up, including the National Geophysical Institute and the Remote Sensing Agency, making Hyderabad a science and technology center. In this lesson, you will learn about the city Hyderabad.
5. Other metropolitan cities. A. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the joint capital city of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It consists of the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. It is the fifth big city of India. The old city of Hyderabad is situated along the Musi River, while to the north, the Hussain Sagar Lake separates Hyderabad and Secunderabad cities. A giant statue of Lord Gautama Buddha of a height of 60 feet is erected on the Gibraltar Rock in this lake. Most of the people residing in the old city are Muslims, and Urdu and Telugu are the main languages spoken here. The climate of Hyderabad is hot and humid in summers and mild cool in winters.
Standing in the heart of the old city of Hyderabad is the majestic four-minaret monument called Charminar. It was built in 1591 AD.
Other important places of interest are Birla Mandir, built out of white marble on a rocky hill, Salajing Museum and Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort, once the legendary fort, the capital of Qutub Shahi kings, is about 8 kilometers from the old city of Hyderabad. There is a Makkah Masjid in the old city, which is one of the largest mosques of the world. Nabat Pahad, Nehru Zoological Park, Usman Sagar Lake, and tombs of Qutub Shahi kings are some other places of interest.
Hyderabad has become a big trade center. The most important industries here include tobacco, textiles, and asbestos. The city is famous for Potala saris, bangles, and pearl jewelry. B. Bengaluru. Hi friends, Bengaluru is located in southern India on the Deccan Plateau at a height of over 900 meters, 3000 feet above sea level. It is known for its pleasant climate throughout the year. Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India because of its role as the nation's leading information technology IT exporter. It is home to many educational and research institutes in India, such as Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Management, etc. The city also houses the Kannada film industry. In this lesson, you will learn about the city Bengaluru.
B. Bengaluru. Located in South India, Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is the sixth biggest city of India. It is also known as the Garden City or the AC City of India. It is because the climate there remains neither very cold nor very hot. Secondly, there is a lot of greenery in Bengaluru. The main language is Kannada of the people of Bengaluru. However, Hindi, English, and other South Indian languages are also frequently spoken.
There is a major airport in Bengaluru and it is connected with rail and road links with most of the major towns in India.
The important attractions in the city of Bengaluru are Coburn Park, Vidhan Soudha, the Secretariat and the State Legislature. It is illuminated in the evenings on Sundays and holidays and is worth seeing. Government Museum, Art Gallery, Visvesvara Industrial and Technological Museum, Jawahar Bal Bhavan, Government Aquarium, Lal Bagh Gardens, Ulsoor Lake, Tippu Sultan's Palace, Bannerghatta National Park 22 kilometers, Whitefield 16 kilometers, St. Mary's Church, Hanuman Temple, Bull Temple, Juma Masjid, Nandi Summer Resort 60 kilometers are some of the interesting places in and around Bengaluru.
The silk and silk saris of Bengaluru are famous all over the country. Main industries in Bengaluru include electronic goods, aircrafts, telephones, soaps, chemicals, textiles, watches, and agarbattis.
Let's revise the important points. 1. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It consists of the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. 2. Standing in the heart of the old city of Hyderabad is the Charminar. 3. Hyderabad is famous for patola saris, bangles, and pearl jewellery. 4. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. 5. Main industries in Bengaluru include electronic goods, aircrafts, telephones, soaps, chemicals, textiles, watches, and agarbattis. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. Describe the old city of Hyderabad. Answer. The old city of Hyderabad is situated along the Musi River. Most of the people residing in the old city are Muslims and Urdu and Telugu are the main languages spoken here. Standing in the heart of the old city of Hyderabad is the Charminar. There is a Makkah Masjid in the old city. 2. What are the oath-seeing places in Hyderabad? Answer. A giant statue of Lord Gautama Buddha in the Hussain Sagar Lake, Charminar, Birla Mandir, Salarjung Museum, Golconda Fort, Makkah Masjid, Nabat Pahad, Nehru Geological Park, Osman Sagar Lake, and tombs of Qutub Shahi kings are the both seeing places in Hyderabad. 3. What are the important attractions of Bengaluru? Answer. The important attractions in the city of Bengaluru are Cubbon Park, Vidhan Sauda, the Secretariat, the State Legislature, Government Museum, Art Gallery, Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, Jawahar Bal Bhavan, Government Aquarium, Lal Bagh Gardens, Ulsoor Lake, Tipu Sultan's Palace, St. Mary's Church, Hanuman Temple, Bull Temple, Juma Masjid. 4. Which industries are located in Bengaluru? Answer. Main industries in Bengaluru include electronic goods, aircrafts, telephones, soaps, chemicals, textiles, watches, and agarbattis. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. Three. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. 4. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of places of interest in and around Hyderabad and Bengaluru cities and stick them in their project book.